Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to be talking to you about the $100 sign-up bonus with Desert Financial Credit Union. It's a relatively easy bonus to achieve and very simple requirements. I'll be reviewing the requirements to get the bonus, to sign up, and the reward requirements. To be a member of the Desert Financial Credit Union, you need to be an immediate family member of a current Desert Financial Credit Union member. This would include spouses, parents, siblings, children, grandparents, and grandchildren. I am currently a member, and I can give out referrals. This video is just for informational purposes only. But if you would like a referral, you can just send me an email or DM, direct message me, and I'll send one to you. Other requirements to become a member: you need to live, work, or attend school in the membership area. This includes all of Arizona, except for Apache, Graham, Greenlee, and Santa Cruz counties. Or you can be an employee of Desert Financial Credit Union. It includes employees, its subsidiaries, affiliates, or agencies. The requirements to open the account and for the $100 sign-up bonus: you need to have a valid driver's license or government-issued ID, social security number or tax ID number, phone number, email address, which is required for opening an account online, date of birth, and address. I did post a QR code which you can scan with a smartphone, Android device, if you want information on the requirements for setting up the account. You need to be a new member with no existing or open accounts within the last 12 months and open a membership savings account with a minimum balance requirement of $25 and a free checking account. The account has no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements, so you're not required to keep an amount in the balance. I do keep a very small balance in there right now. New members must either open an account online by following the promotional link within a referral email sent by the referring member, mention this promotion at the time of account opening over the phone, or present a completed refer a friend form at the time of account opening. You need to receive at least one direct deposit into a new checking account within 90 days. The terms and conditions do not say what that minimum direct deposit amount is, only that one is required. There is a link here if you're interested on the bonus requirements and looking it up. You need to perform at least 30 posted checking transactions within 90 days. Cash App reloads is, believe what I did, spaced out over a couple of days and once per hour. So usually when I do those debit card requirements, I do like one per hour, link it to my Cash App account, and then just do it a period over a couple of days. Within like a 5-day period, you can knock out those 30 transactions. The bonuses will be deposited into the new member's qualifying checking account and referring members savings account no later than 10 business days in the month following the end of the first 90-day period if qualifications are met. For the direct deposit requirement, I'm using Chase Business Checking, ACH employee payments as my method. It just saves time and having to mess around with your employer direct deposit. In closing, let's see. There is an early account termination fee. It's $25 if you close it within 90 days. The bonus is reported on IRS Form 1099-INT. The referrals are limited to 5 per member. So if you want to refer these out to relatives, that's an additional $500 for you. So that is the $100 sign-up bonus requirement with Desert Financial Credit Union. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can please leave in the comments or email me directly at orig58@gmail.com. And if you like this content and are interested in getting more, please hit the subscribe button. I appreciate your time, and you guys have a good day.